Welcome to Billionaire. This is RP here, recording video on Bank Nifty's Elliott Wave analysis. Let's check first Nifty's price action or indicator based analysis. So this is our last candle of the Friday where there was a bloodbath, and yeah, it was a Black Friday as they say. It has created a bearish engulfing candle as you can see here, and it has engulfed past three candles. It opened small. It opened with small or a flat opening, and then it made a high just above the previous high, and then entire day it fell on the downside, covering the three candles. Also, I think it has closed this gap. So let's check whether it has closed the gap or not. Okay, yeah, so this candle has closed on 39.42, and what is this low? 38,848. So this has closed the gap. So that is a very bearish signal for us. As long as the gaps are not filled, it is still an bullish move. So once it fills the gap and it forms an engulfing candle like this, it is bearish signal. So you can see such bearish candle here as well, right? So as I said, it's a bearish engulfing candle, and the minimum expected level is 38,500 as shown by 13 EMA. And the next expected level is 36,650 or 36,700. It could come on the upside, a little bit upside once the move happens. So these are the levels that we can expect based on moving averages. Yeah, RSI has just crossed below overbought zone, and it has come to 69. Aron is still bullish. It will take time. It needs more candles to change the trend, but still Aron shows the bullish trend. So let's see what we discussed in the past week. So these are the charts that we discussed. So three possibilities we discussed. This was the bullish case where we expected a move ended as a WXYZ correction and a fresh impulse started, and the impulse wave is heading towards 48,000 as a fifth wave. This was the bullish target on the upside. After this, there is target near 57 or 58,000. Yeah, we even talked on that. The price has went sharp up, so this bullish count can also be considered on the upside. But for that, we need to wait for break of 41,830. So once this is broken, then we will have a surety that it is heading toward this. So this was one first possibility that we discussed in last video. So second possibility that we discussed was and longer consolidation with WXY waves. So currently we said that A, B, C waves in progress of X wave, so which is heading towards max 41,426. It does not mean that it cannot drop below that. Okay, so there is a still possibility that it can drop anywhere from these levels or just by breaking this level. So it has already broken this level, so we can expect a drop from this level as well. So current whatever top it has made, there is a possibility that it can drop because there is a bearish Bozu present, as well as it's an engulfing candle. Anyhow, we are dropping in the three wave structure on the downside, A, B, and C for the Y wave heading towards 30,000. That's what this wave count was telling us. So W, X, and Y. So final Y wave will be in progress. If it's a three wave correction, then it will be this wave count that is considered. So there is a chance for going on the upside, just it will invalidate. So this analysis will be invalidated once it breaks 41,830, right? Until it is not breaking that, we still have a chance of the drop towards 30,000. So this, and there was a third wave count that we also discussed where we assumed W wave ended here, X ended here, which is not looking correct count as of now, but this possibility can be considered, saying that this is a complex correction heading on the upside as a B wave. Okay, and this is an expanded flat correction. In expanded flat, you have a three waves A move and then three waves B move, three or a complex, it can be a complex correction as well, which is a B wave. Again, we are restricting its move towards this. If it goes beyond this, then our analysis will be invalid. If it goes beyond, let's say 41,240 or 50, we can say that this analysis is wrong. Then we will consider the bullish case. So these are the levels that we discussed. And in this case, here we are expecting a 5-wave drop on the downside. This will be a sharp drop towards 30,000. So this will complete the Y wave. So depending on whether it's a 3-wave or a 5-wave move, we will have to consider the two bearish counts. So this one or this one. So these things we discussed last time. Let's check the different picture for next week of Bank Nifty. So this is a special Bank Nifty analysis, by the way. In the during entire week, we are not spending time on Bank Nifty. We are just doing the analysis of Nifty. Daily, we are creating 1-minute video. You can subscribe to our channel so that you get daily updates on Nifty. So Bank Nifty usually follows similar path. Either it's more bullish or it's a sideways compared to Nifty, but both go hand in hand. So let's consider that we are in a WXY correction with this as a C wave, right? And in this case, we can plot wave counts from the low, this low, with wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th finished here. Okay, so yeah, as we said, it can drop anywhere below 41,427 level. So it should not go beyond this, otherwise all our bearish counts will be invalid and only bullish count will be valid in that case. Then we are going to the moon in that case. Let's go on the 15-minute chart. Okay, before that, I want to tell you that there is a negative divergence on MACD. So this is third wave stop, third wave stop. This is third wave stop, right? So this is the third wave stop and this is the 5th wave. So there is a negative divergence. Okay, and here there was a sharp selling. Even MACD histogram has broken the level. So here we can assume that the correction could have been started. If you want to be sure, there is a level that I'll tell you. Okay, let's go on the 15-minute chart. So here you can see we have impulse fall with 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably 5th wave is in progress, or it could be a triangle. 1, 2, right? 3 and 4th as a triangle, and 5th wave will be more deeper correction. Let's draw the trend line, right? So this is the triangle structure. It is making the triangle structure. So let me mark them, right? So E wave will go slightly up, but it should not break this level. If it goes up like this and then start the drop, we need to wait for break of D level, D wave. Okay, not this one. So let's say it opens flat, goes to this trend line, and then comes down, breaking this level, right? If this level is broken, 38,895. If it is broken, we will drop on the downside. We will break this channel. So what will be the level in that case? And let's mark the wave count: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right. So if this happens, what I told, then we will have, right? So it can make a small low near 38,800, or it can go deeper towards 38,600. Okay, 38,600 is also possible. Let's also check a bigger target. So 38,600 or a lower level 38,300. So this can also come. So do remember these levels, write it down, and remember for next session. Okay, let's discuss the second case. What if this is not a triangle? Because triangles are usually tricky. Until they are complete, we don't know them. So what if this is not a triangle? In that case, what we can assume is this is wave 4 that finished here, which was a short, very small wave, and internally when you check on 5-minute chart, it could look a little bit of triangle. Wave 3 finished here, 4th finished here, and 5th finished here. In that case, this will be an ABC correction with A, B, and C wave in progress going on the upside. So this can be a wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Like this it can go. So how much it can go on the upside? So just remember, if it opens flat or gap up and breaks 39,095, then this wave count will be valid. Okay, then only this count can be considered. In that case, we are expecting a pullback in the Bank Nifty with move towards 0.61 Fibonacci. It will go towards this. Okay, so this will be a pullback wave. So in that case, this can be wave 1 or A, and then wave 2 or B will be here. Wave 1 or A or 2 or B wave can be towards 0.61 Fibonacci. it should face rejection near 37,400, otherwise will be in trouble, and then there is a chance that this may not be a bearish wave going on the downside. So if it is to pull back on Monday above 39,095, it should face rejection from 39,400, and from there it should start the drop. So on Monday we are not expecting a gap down opening. It should at least open flat, touch the trend line, and then drop as a 5 wave. Otherwise, if it breaks this level, then it will be a pullback wave. Then after it completes this pullback, it will be a sharp dip, and on Tuesday it can open gap down. So this is a second alternative for tomorrow's session. Okay, these are the levels that I have shown you. Apart from that, what we need to consider is, as soon as it goes below 0.61 Fibonacci of this swing move, okay, so this is the swing high, this is swing low and this is swing high. When you plot Fibonacci on them, you get this 0.61 Fibonacci. If it goes below this, I will definitely assume that it is going for a bigger correction towards 30,000, and then I'll fully believing that these two bearish wave counts are in progress. So this is one confirmation, or one can have a safe view of break of 37,249 to consider that a bearish view, but this should be sufficient of breaking 38,200. So this is how the Bank Nifty levels are, and you can see here that we can count waves of 5 wave. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this can be wave A and this can be wave B. Okay, and after that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this can be wave C. Internally it will be wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is ending diagonal pattern, where wave 1 is the biggest wave, 3 should not be shortest, it is bigger than 5th. So this is ending diagonal pattern which appeared at the top of the trend. So the trend has reversed. So as per this pattern, if this wave count is right, my wave count is right, from the bottom of this level, it should come to this level, minimum this level. That's what the pattern is about. Ending diagonal pattern usually retrace full. It will retrace downside or even more than that. Okay, so as per this pattern, this is bearish. Okay, so here you can see MACD has also broken below last time taken the support, that has been also broken. Okay, even these points are broken. So this looks to be a fully bearish on the Bank Nifty. We have a bearish view. Hope you have noted down the levels. So that's all and everything on the Bank Nifty. See you in next video. Do hit like button, add comments. Thank you.